101 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back again to Smart Up Your Life. Our English program discussion with me, Adeliana Villa, as a host today. And also, I'm not alone. I have many friends in here from BPEC. Hi!
Hi.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, could you introduce yourself one by one? Okay, maybe start from you.
Okay. So my full name is Muhammad Nabil Dafa. My friends call me Dafa. I'm 17 years old. I'm still senior high school.
Hi, Dafa.
Hi.
Next.
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my full name is Abdullah bin Tapamukas. My nickname is Wahid. I come from Sungguh Minasa and I study in English Education Department in Unismu Makassar.
Oh, this.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Yusril Abidin. You guys can call me Yusril. I'm student in Islamic State University of Makassar.
Hello everyone.
The beautiful one.
Hello everyone. My complete name is Andi Tandri Olmi. So you can call me Tandri, and I'm student of Hasanuddin University.
Hi,
Thank you.
Mrs. Tenri.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, hi everyone. So my name is Firdayanti Amalia. You can call me Firda. So I'm a student of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar.
Hello. Okay. Yes. Welcome to Smart FM tonight, and because this is collaboration with Smart FM, please tell us what is BPC. Okay, maybe from Mrs. Tenri.
Okay, before I tell you guys about BPEC, so BPEC has tagline. So if I say BPEC, you must say wow, bright and breezy. So BPEC, wow, bright and breezy.
Oh, this is the tagline from
Yeah,
BPC.
yeah, of
Okay.
course. So BPEC is one of community of English in Makassar that learn about English, discussion, of course, and debating. It's all one of our items in BPEC. So if you want to know about BPEC, you can follow our Instagram at BPEC Makassar, guys. So I'm waiting for you for join our weekly meeting in BPEC. Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much.
And also free of charge, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for a smart listener who want to join in BPC, just come if you want to increase the speaking. Okay, well, and also for smart listener who want to join tonight, just tell us on WhatsApp 0811461011. And don't forget comment on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Okay, well, the topic tonight about learning by doing and fun. You know, we have many way to learning by doing and fun. So, we have to increase knowledge by learning, doing, and fun. So many way. If you want to learning by doing and fun. Okay, how about you? We start from Miss Firda. How about you? How important learning by doing and fun for you?
Okay, actually it's really important for we learning and by doing and fun. So because you know guys, learning by doing and fun, we can more happy, we can more enjoy with our learning, right?
Yes.
So we can choose, we can find the way to how we can learn with funny and with happy. Yeah, I think that's all.
Yes. The next one, Mrs. Tanri.
Yeah, if talk about learning, of course you must know about your method. But the important thing, if you want to learning, if you want to your subject or your subject come to your brain or just like get your focus, you must doing fun and practice, of course. So Yeah, I think it's important for our method of learning, doing and fun. So
Yes.
that's all from me.
Is back to method. How best method you can give by learning, doing and fun, right? From Mrs. Tande. How about you, from Brother Yusril?
Yeah, talk about learning by doing and fun. It's actually kind of method in learning, right?
Yes.
And for me, there are two kinds of learning that I like. The first is I like learning in under pressure. Actually,
Wow, and
yeah,
for
but
sure.
there,
You're
it's
so
it's just some kind of material. Some like, for example, philosophy or politics. I like if I learn about it in under pressure. But for like math or physics or chemistry, I like if we doing it with fun, especially also for English, because
yes.
by learning language, learning language by fun, it's very useful for us because we cannot learn language is in under pressure, right? So yeah, I think that's it for me.
So from Brother Yusril, they want to do by under pressure for a method, right? Wow. This is strong from Brother Yusril. I mean, okay. Yeah, how about you?
Okay, according to me, about the learning by doing and fun. So the learning is the activity that we learn about the some materials, and then we learn by playing and fun, such as when before before in Sunday, yeah, we play the games after in BPC. Before we had done about the what is the discussion betting. So before we play about the some games, okay, the some games in Sunday about the Pancasila Madasa. So we learn by learning and fun. So instead of learning, so and fun, so we learn and fun. We as if playing the game, but we learn about the new material. So example for adding our vocabulary or something other knowledge. Okay.
Okay, by learning what before Pancasila, you
Yeah, Pancasila Madasar.
Does
When
make
we
it
was
fun?
child. Yeah, it's so fun.
Okay,
Pancasila
bro,
Madasar.
Yeah, so do you, it meant you really important, right? If you
Yeah.
want to learning by doing fun, that's what you are do. Yes.
Yeah, because
Okay, thank you, Brother Wahid. How about you, Brother Dava?
Me, honestly, learning by doing fun, I totally agree with that because my brain, it's hard to memorize all things without practice, Yeah, by doing practice, like for example, in our meeting every Sunday in BPC, we practice our skill for our skill, like we deliver our opinion in front of the people. We can also discussion with a small group with other person, and learning by doing fun, for me it's the way for me to be apa ya, increase my skills. I think that's all.
So, BPC is best place for learning by doing and fun
Yeah,
for you.
I think
Okay, that's a good from Brother Dava. Okay, talk about learning by doing and fun. So many way to learning by doing and fun, especially for increase my knowledge, increase is everything abilities, especially yeah. Start what Brother Wahid said by learning by Pancasila
Yeah.
Madasa
Yeah.
and come to BPEC and under pressure also from Brother Yusril. Wow, that's good. It's really important by learning, doing and fun. So the next question is, what do you do from Sister Firda if you want to learning by doing and fun?
Okay, actually, my way, my method
Yes.
when I want to learning, I should make sure my mind should first, yeah. So I should maybe I should watch some movie before I learning. So I want to make something that makes me happy, like singing maybe.
Singing.
Yeah,
You like
because
singing?
and yeah, so I think I should make my mind first before I want to learning. It's first, yeah. That's all.
So from Sister Firda, the best way singing, yes.
Yeah.
Singing. Yeah, me too. Singing is like make everyone happy.
Yeah.
How about, yeah, thank you. How about the Sister Tenri?
What question?
Okay, sorry. What do you do, Sister Tenri, if you want to learning by doing and fun?
Yeah, of course. The first method, if I want to learn
Yes.
by doing and fun, is refresh about our brain, right?
Refresh
Yeah.
your brain.
Refresh.
Like what?
Actually, I'm Sam with Firda singing first.
Singing.
Yeah, but sometimes I watch first. Watch for increasing my bad mood. It's like refresh again my brain and something like the funny video.
Oh,
Funny video, yeah, of course. But one of also like the knowledge about the video include about our what the material what I want to learn before that. Yeah.
Okay, so Sister Tenri, if you bad mood, you right? just singing, or just watching funny video. How about Brother Yusrael? For what you do if you want to learning by doing and fun?
Yeah, actually there are many ways to do learning by doing and fun. It's like singing, something same like Firda or
I think singing is make everyone
I mean
fun.
there are many ways.
Oh,
For example, singing, listening to music,
yes.
or watching movie or something like that. But for me, I cannot learn. I cannot listening something or doing something while I'm learning. But for me, to learning by doing and fun. Sometimes when I learn about something, I put 5 or 10 minutes after learning by listening to music, and after that continue my assignment, for example, and yeah, just like that, because I'm not the one who can learn and listening music or watching movie in the same time. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay.